Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to generate new backup code for Instagram. So in order to generate a new backup code for Instagram, you need to follow this simple steps. So here what you need is first thing first, open the Instagram application, and once you're logged in, this is how the interface will look like. What next you need to do is here on this page, you need to click on the initials or the profile from the bottom right, and then tap on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner and go to account center. As you go to the account center section, then you want to come to the password and security section, and there you have these options such as other options. So what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and look for these additional method. Since I do not have these options, but you could just go ahead and click on the additional options, and when you go to the additional options, you then need to go ahead and click on backup codes, and you just need to tap the generate or get new code. This will provide a fresh set of 8-digit code that should be saved in your safe place, as each one can only be used once. So this is how it work, or this is the way you could generate new backup code for Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.